Hello friends, and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can clear YouTube app cached on your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to the channel, put your likes, and don't forget to write comments after watching the video. And let us get started with you. Please open the settings on your iPhone for this, and then go to the Basics section. Next, in Basic, you will need to go into your iPhone's memory. Wait for everything to load up and find the YouTube app. And in order to clear the cache, you will need to reinstall this app. To do that, click on the Unload button right here first. Wait for the app to be unloaded and then click Reinstall. This will reinstall the YouTube app without any cache, without any corrupted files. And you will be able to use YouTube in the future, which if before that, let's say, it could freeze or some functions took a long time to load, then after such a reboot everything will be cleaned up and nothing will freeze. This is how you can clear YouTube cache on your iPhone. Hope this video helped you and was useful to you, friends. Please give your likes, comments, subscribe to the channel, and see you soon.